How to fix your Facebook Messenger app if it's not working. First, just try to restart your phone. If it didn't help, then make sure that you have the latest updated version of your Messenger app. For that, go to your app market and find Messenger. And we need to update it. So let's do that. So now we have the newest version and we need to open it. But what if it still doesn't work? Let's do some other thing. We need to find apps, app management, type Messenger, go to storage usage and cache, clear cache. And then we'll need to go back and it works.